Do you want to hide number of likes on Instagram? You can hide like count on Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide the number of likes on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile page. A new screen will appear. From here, scroll down to the What You See section. Under this, tap on Like and Share Counts. A new screen appears. Here, you'll see the option Hide Like and Share Counts with a toggle switch button. Turn on the toggle switch to stop seeing the number of likes on posts from others. If you want to hide likes on your own posts, go to the post on your profile for which you want to hide likes. Now, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner of the post. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu, tap on Hide Like Count. Now, the like count will be hidden on selected posts and on posts from others.